name is Elizabeth Vroom and I come from the Netherlands. I'm in the field of Duchenne muscular dystrophy simply because my son has Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and when he was diagnosed I felt like we have to do something. As parents we have a responsibility to try to do the best. As Duchenne parents, we really started to raise funds because there was no money for research, so we really felt we can do this ourselves. Which was a bit positive, but it helped to have money as patient organization. And meanwhile, now we expanded to many more activities like developing patient-reported outcome measures, but also things like data collection and how to make optimal use of data. Because at the end, they are the ones who know what's important. So if you look at changing healthcare or drug development, at the end, the most important thing is what matters to patients. So you have to collect the data which are important to patients, and also because researchers, with all respect, they tend to collect data in silo and see an ownership for their projects and their work, where we feel that sharing data, reusing data is really very important as well. And there's another thing which I feel is important, and that is that patients whose data are used for research also will profit from that themselves. So not only indirect, in 10 years we might know more, but now today. Well, the Netherlands is a very small country, so like in Duchenne we only have like 17 new patients every year. You can imagine that will never be enough to really collect data on which you could drive policies or drug development. And rare disease is of course anyway a different field, so we need each other in Europe. In a lot of countries there are initiatives that can inspire other countries as well, but like in the Netherlands we do have now for Duchenne in this case, we started a platform, really a platform for the future, where you can share data, not only the e-health data as in your data from medical visits, but also prompts, but in the future also wearables and other ways to collect data which are important to patients and to integrate them. And I think patients are much more interested in integrating data than anybody else. So I think we have a role to play, and we do have a nice example here. There should be a European awareness for patients. You are the owner of your data, and you are also the one who can make sure that they are used for the best cause. We need programs that facilitate new developments where patients are in the lead of data collection. I think that's number one. So it means that's money, but it's also that patients can be the main applicant, that they can be or in the driver's seat or the co-pilot.